Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I'm back with some snowflake goodies. I finally got my hands on some pieces of this collection thanks to my friend Amy, who I'm going to be designing for. You guys already know I've spoken about her. She's got a new Crafty store, which I'll have linked down below. Super affordable, great deal. She saves you on shipping, and no one likes to pay shipping, you guys, and her shipping is included in her bundle deals. She currently has 2 snowflake bundles up and the Maggie Holmes Heritage up on the site, so go check her out. I am designing with 2 kits for her for the months of my Christmas crafting. I'm going to be working with snowflake, and I'm also going to be working with the Pebbles Christmas collection that came out for 2019. So I am super excited. Amy, if you're watching, thank you so much for the opportunity. You know that I am 100% grateful. And yeah, you guys, let me show you what I have here. So I got the 6x8 paper pad, and I'm sure you guys have seen this. It is so pretty. I know a lot of people are commenting on how muted it is, but I think I kind of like that about it. I love this paper. I love the little cars. I think it's just gorgeous, and I think it's going to look very classy when you make your projects. It's going to look super classy, and I love that about it. So I did get the ephemera pack. I'm not going to open it, but these are the little pieces that you get. So in this pack, you get 40 pieces. So we have that. I also got the gold thickers, which are so pretty, you guys. Look at that tree. I cannot wait to Christmas craft. I am so over Halloween. I will be starting my Christmas crafts on the first week of November, so definitely stay tuned. And then I'm also going to be having my Christmas series where I'm going to be doing kind of the same thing that I did for Halloween, giving away the projects that I create on every video. So that's super exciting. Look at you guys, these cute little rubber clips. You get the little bird, the tree, snow day, the little snowman. I love that he has like a little pink hat, pink nose, and she's adorable too. How cute. And then I also got the sticker pack. You get 250 stickers. And I love that you can make these ephemera too. You just back them up with some cardstock and you're good to go. So you got some word phrases here. It has a very like Maggie Holmes feel to it. I like that. Look at how cute. So that's the sticker book. And then you got the chipboard with all the super fun pieces. I love her. She's so cute. So I need to get some more for sure. I'm going to be getting some more of these. She also sent me the specialty paper with the gold foiling. How pretty is that? And then she also sent me the 12x12 sheets that are double-sided. Look at this, you guys. We got the cut-apart sheets. You guys already know Lily's making Christmas cards. Then we have this cut-apart sheet. This to me is going to be almost like the Dulce collection. I think I need like to have 2 backups to this collection. I don't know. I like it a lot. And I'm not really into the dark tones and stuff like that, but every collection has a dark tone. But I think this is so pretty. I love that it's so like pale. I don't know. Maybe that's just me. Look how pretty. I need to sit down and make a list of all the stuff that I want to make. You guys should leave me ideas of what you want to see in my Christmas series, what you want me to make. Other than like embellishments and the regular stuff, if you want to see something extra special, I'm definitely doing SVG projects with this collection. That is for sure. Look at these trees. You see, I love the colors. And look at these cars with the trees on top. This is my favorite. I need like 7 sheets. So pretty. And look at this one. These are all great layering pieces. I see this sheet and I think layered tags. What do you guys think? Yes, 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 yes. I need like 12 more. Maybe the snowman one. You guys see how pretty that is? Like the grays. I don't know. I really, really like it. This plaid is super cute. And then that's the opposite side. But yeah, you guys, these are the goodies that Amy sent me, and I cannot wait to play with them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for my next video. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Hit that bell to be notified for every video that I upload, because YouTube is super annoying with their algorithm. I always get stuck with that word. And sometimes I feel like you guys don't see my videos. Sometimes I feel like I have a good day, and then sometimes I feel like my video just went right under the table. So please hit that bell to be notified whenever I upload, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.